Hello again. We are going to, we did vectors property of addition. Now we are going to do scalar multiplication properties. There is two properties. The first one, if I have a scalar m multiplied by scalar n times vector a, this is the same thing as multiplying the two scalars first, then multiplying the result with vector a, and this is called associative property. Okay, so for example, if I have 3 times 2 vector a, I can double vector a, then triple the result. So it is the same thing as multiplying vector a by 6, which is 3 times 2. This is the first property. The second property, if I have two scalars added together and the result is multiplied by a, I can distribute vector a with the two scalars, so it can be m times vector a plus n times vector a. This is called, so if I have 3 plus 2 times vector a, this is the same thing as 3 times vector a plus 2 times vector a, and this is called distributive property. Okay, so those are the two properties I want you to know in here. Okay, now I'm going to give you some examples. Example 1. Simplify. Simplify means make it smaller, simpler. If I have 3 times 2 vector a plus b plus c minus vector a plus 3 vector b minus 2 vector c. So if I want to simplify this, I will distribute the 3 over everything inside using the distributive property. So that will be 6 times vector a plus 3 times vector b plus 3 times vector c. And I will distribute the negative 1 over everything. Then remember in grade 8 or 9 we learned combining like terms. Here we are going to combine like vectors. So 6a and minus a, those are like vectors. I can combine them, and this will be 5 times vector a. 3b minus 3b is the 0 vector. When we add vectors, the result is a vector. However, it's a 0, but 0 vector is a vector with magnitude of 0 and no direction, but it shows that when we subtract vectors, the result is 0. Well, the adding or subtracting of of vectors give us a vector. 3c plus 2c is 5c. So I can write this as 5 vector a plus 5 vector c, which is, I can factor the 5 out. It is the same thing as 5 times vector a plus vector c. Up to here, it's okay. Okay. So this is the first example. All right. Example 2. Says if vector x equal 3 times vector I minus 4 times vector j plus k. By the way, those we're gonna spend a lot of time with them. Those are unit vectors in the direction of x, y, and z, but it's not our concern now. And vector y equals j minus 5k, and vector z equals negative vector I minus vector j plus 4k, 4 times vector k. We need to find vector x minus 2 vector y plus 3 vector z. So vector x is 3x, 3i minus 4j plus k, minus 2 times vector y, so 2 times this will be minus 2. I will multiply negative 2 with everything here, so negative 2 plus 10k, then plus 3 vector z, so I multiply 3 times the components of vector z, which are negative 3i minus 3j plus 12k. Then we are going to combine like vectors. 3 vector I minus 3 vector I is 0 vector, vector 0. Negative 4j minus 3j. Oh, here is 2j. I'm sorry, I forgot the negative 2 is multiplied, so negative 2j. So negative 4j minus 2j is negative 6j minus 3j is negative 9j. K plus 10k is 11k plus 12k is 23 times vector k. So the resultant is negative 9j plus 23 vector k. Okay, this is the answer. This is how we use the property to simplify vectors, and we're going to spend more time on this when we do algebraic vectors. This is just an introduction. So I hope you understand today's lesson. I'm going to assign homework for you. Please do it and send me questions as usual. So your homework will be page 307, number 6, 7, 9, 10, and 11. Please do those questions and send me through HB if you have any trouble with any of them. Okay? Have a wonderful day and enjoy the rest of the day.